Yes, beta. In the third video, we will discuss rest of the worksheet of the lines and angles. We are at question number 6. In question number 6, you have given two lines A, B and C, D. Both are intersecting lines. You have to prove angle AOD is equal to angle BOC. First, take this line. In this line, these two angles form a linear pair. It means in दोनों का sum क्या होगा 180. Angle AOD plus angle AOC is equal to 180 degree. Now take this line AOB. In this line, these two angles form a linear pair. मतलब इन दोनों का एंगल सम 180 होगा. अब फ्रॉम 1 and 2 दोनों की राइट हैंड साइड क्या है सेम, तो दोनों की लेफ्ट हैंड साइड भी क्या हो जाएगी सेम. एंगल AOC कट हो गया. On here we are left with angle AOD. On the right side we are left with angle BOC. This we have proved. Now in question number 7, you have given two intersecting lines PQ and RS, and also you have given the ratio of these two angles, that is 5:7. Then angle will be 5x and 7x. These two angles form a linear pair because POQ is a straight line. तो इन दोनों का सम क्या होगा 180. Put all the values. 12x is equal to 180 degree. It means x is equal to 15 degree. We got the value of x is equal to 15 degree. It means angles will be 5x and 7x, that is 5 into 15 75 degree, 7 into 15 105 degree. Now in question number 8, you have given angles of triangles are in ascending order. तीनों के तीनों एंगल्स असेंडिंग ऑर्डर में है और एंगल में डिफरेंस कितना है 10 का. इट मीन्स इफ वन एंगल इज x, द अदर विल बी x प्लस 10, थर्ड विल बी x प्लस 20. एज वी नो तीनों का सम क्या होता है 180. सो ऑन सॉल्विंग वी गेट x इज इक्वल टू 50 डिग्री. इट मीन्स एंगल्स विल बी x इज इक्वल टू 50 डिग्री, सेकेंड विल बी 60, थर्ड विल बी 70. Now in question number 9, you have given a triangle PQR and angle TQP is 70 degree, SPR is 135 degree. You have to find the angle SQR and PRQ. Now take this line. These two angles form a linear pair. It means इन दोनों का सम क्या होगा 180. इन दोनों का सम 180. इट मीन्स एंगल SQR कितना आ जाएगा 110 डिग्री. नाउ दिस इज द एक्सटीरियर एंगल ऑफ ट्राइंगल. तो एक्सटीरियर एंगल किसके इक्वल होता है दोनों के इंटीरियर ऑपोजिट एंगल्स के सम ऑफ इंटीरियर ऑपोजिट एंगल्स. देन 135 इज इक्वल टू 110 प्लस PRQ. SPR is equal to SQR plus PRQ. Put all the values of the angles. We get PRQ is equal to 25 degree. Now in question number 10, you have given three angles and also you have given the condition that the one angle is double the smallest of angle, another angle is thrice the smaller angle. If we have assumed the smaller angle be x, then other two angles will be 2x and 3x. Sum of three angles is 180. On solving we get the value of x and all the angles. Next in question number 11, you have to find the value of x. As we can see, this is a straight line and these forms a linear pair of angle. So linear pair is always 180 degree. So 60 plus 3x is 180 degree. On solving we get x is equal to 40 degree. Now in question number 12, you have two parts. In one you have given the value of x, in other you have given the value of y. In the first part, the value of x is 60 degree. You have to find the value of y. Again this is a straight line. The sum will be 180 degree because linear pair. 2x plus y is 180 degree. Put the value of x, we get the value of y is 60 degree. In second part, you have given the value of y 40 degree. 2x plus y is 180 degree. Put the value of y. What we get? X is equal to 70 degree. Now in question number 13, you have given these three intersecting lines and you have to find the angle AOC, this angle, and also you have to find the angle COF, this angle. These two angles you have to find. Beta, this is 35 degree. As we can see, these two lines make vertical opposite angles. If this angle is 35, then this angle will automatically become 35. So angle AOC is 35 degree. Now take this straight line in this straight line these three angles form the linear pair. It means sum of these three angles is 180 degree. तीनों का sum 180 degree आ गया. On solving we get COF is equal to 105 degree. Now on the last question 14 degree, you have given in the triangle ABC the base is produced on both the sides. base BC को दोनों sides के ऊपर produce कर दिया. एक एंगल 100 डिग्री है और एक एंगल 120 डिग्री है. हमने ये तीनों एंगल्स फाइंड आउट करने हैं. इफ़ दिस एंगल इज़ 100 तो ये कितना रह जाएगा लीनियर पेयर के साथ 80 डिग्री. इफ़ दिस एंगल इज़ 120 डिग्री तो ये कितना रह जाएगा 60 डिग्री. नाउ इन दिस ट्राइंगल सम ऑफ थ्री एंगल्स ऑफ ट्राइंगल इज़ 180. सो 80 + 60 + CAB इज इक्वल टू 180 डिग्री. सो CAB कितना आ जाएगा 40 डिग्री. सो बेटा दिस इज़ ऑल अबाउट योर वर्कशीट.